Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Sublime Text editor on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Sublime Text. And the first result you will see here will be from sublimetext.com. So we are going to click on this link. Straight away you will be able to see this download for Windows option here, and you will also see the downloads tab here. So you can click either of them. I'm going to click on this download for Windows button, which is going to start the download of the Sublime Text .exe file. So I'm going to wait for the download to complete. So once this exe file is downloaded, let me click on this exe file and minimize the browser. So first of all, you will see this warning which says, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? I'm going to click on yes, which is going to open this Sublime Text setup. So this will be the default location where Sublime Text will be installed on your Windows 11 operating system. So if you don't have the good reason to change this location, just leave it as default and then click on next. Here you will be able to see select additional tasks. I'm going to just check this checkbox and then click on next, and then click on install, which is going to start the installation of Sublime Text. So the installation process is really fast and it will be finished really soon. And once that will be done, you can click on finish here, and then you can go to the Windows Start menu. You can directly see that Sublime Text icon is visible here in recently added tools. Also, you can go to all apps here. So just click on all apps and then scroll down and then search for Sublime Text here. So you can see Sublime Text is visible here also. So I'm going to click on this, and now Sublime Text is started on my Windows 11 operating system. So in order to open a folder, you can click on file and then click on open folder here, and then you can select any folder from here. If folder is not present, you can create a new folder. Let me just create my apps folder and then press enter and then select this folder, and then click on select folder, which is going to open this folder here, right? So inside this folder, I'm going to create a new file. So just right click and then click on new file, and then you can save this file as any file, right? So I'm going to press Ctrl S, and then I'm going to give the name to my file. So let me name it as test.php, for example, and then press enter. And once that's done, you can see this file is created. Also, you will be able to see on top Sublime Text is unregistered. So in order to register Sublime Text, you can always go to the Sublime Text website and then register on that website. You can also click on help and then about Sublime Text. Here also you can see it's unregistered, right? So as always, you can always go to the Sublime Text website and then register it and then start using it. Okay, so that's about it. This is how you can install Sublime Text on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.